In this video, we will do a basic stoichiometry problem. It's going to be a conversion question here. So it says, what mass of hydrogen peroxide must decompose to produce 48.50 grams of water? The very first step is to write a balance equation. So we have H2O2, which decomposes into oxygen and then water. The equation is not balanced, so let's balance that first. So oxygen we have 3, hydrogen we have 2 here, oxygen 2 and hydrogen 2. If we add 2 on this side and 2 on this side, 1 second, let me just change the color. 2, that will make it 4, and then that will make it 4 as well. If we add 2 here, it adds 1 to this, gets 4, and then gets 4. Okay, so the equation is balanced now. I think it's a good habit to put 1 here. Let's erase this and let's start with the equation. So what are we given with? So it's 48.50 grams of H2O, and what we're trying to find is H2O2 in grams. Before we begin, we should have a solution path. We need to convert. So it's H2O in grams to moles of H2O, and then moles of H2O2 to get grams of H2O2. So this is our solution path. We will be using the formula, which is N equals to M over capital M, where N equals to number of moles. The small m is mass in grams, and the capital M is the molar mass, which is written as grams per mole. Okay, so now we'll use this formula. Let's erase this to have more space. Okay, let's make a line here. So N 48.50 divided by 18.02. 18.02 is the molar mass of H2O. H2O. O is 16 and H is 2. This is from the periodic table. Let me just show you that in case you want to refresh. So that's the hydrogen. We're getting the bottom value, which is 1.008. And for the oxygen, which is right here, which is 15.99. A quick refresher. So we're getting the atomic mass, the bottom number. Okay. All right, so let's continue. So we get 2.691. That's the moles. Okay. In terms of ratio, as you can see, it's 2:2. 2:2 is the ratio. So we can use this number. Now, let me erase this. We'll use the exact same formula to find the H2O2 in grams. We'll just have to rewrite the equation. First, let's get the molar mass of H2O2. H2O2 molar mass is 34.04. Exactly the same way we got it for the H2O. Oxygen is 16 times 2 and then plus 2. Okay, we'll just rewrite the equation. We're trying to find this guy, right? So we'll isolate the m, let's keep it on this side, and bring those two on the other side. So n, which is the moles, 2.691, multiplied by m, which is this guy, the molar mass, 34.04, and equals to m. Let's multiply. We get 91.56 grams. This is the answer. That's method 1. There's another method to do that. Exactly the same way, but in the other way, we just have to write everything at the same time. Let me write that for you. Okay, so what we need to do is exactly the same way. 48.50 grams of H2O. Just have to make a line here so it's easier to understand. We're just writing the exact same ratio. So 1 mole of H2O, and we're doing the conversion, right? If you divide this, and you get the exact same number, which is 2.691, right? 2 moles of H2O2, this is the ratio, 2 is to 2. Since the number is same, they cancel out, but if they were different, the answer would have been, changed. The last conversion is 34.02 grams of H2O2, 1 mole of H2O2. Now I'm just going to use another color. We can cancel out each value. So this cancels out. What else cancels out? This cancels out. This 2 cancels out as well. So we are left with this guy here. If you multiply, get the exact same answer, 91.56 gram. So now you know how to do a basic stoichiometry conversion question. Thank you.